Good morning to all. I am Avkash from Government Polytechnic College, Dungarpur. Today we are going to discuss about chapter sewer appurtenances. Okay. देखिए जो हम सीवर लेइंग देखते हैं, आपने देखा होगा अपना घर का जो भी वेस्ट होता है, वाटर वेस्ट होता है, जैसे सीवेज जो होता है, मतलब बाथरूम वेस्ट, किचन वेस्ट जो भी होता है वो पाइपलाइन में जाता है, ठीक है, सीवर्स में जाता है। तो उनके रख रखाव के लिए क्या क्या चीज़ें कुछ इंटरवल्स पे दी जाती है अलोंग द लेंथ, उन्हें ही हम कहते हैं सीवर appurtenances. Sewer appurtenances are those structures and devices of a sewer system which are constructed at suitable interval along a sewer line to assist in the efficient operation and maintenance of the system. अब देखिए इम्पॉर्टेंट सीवर appurtenances कौन कौन से होते हैं, जैसे इनलेट्स होते हैं, कैच बेसिन होते हैं, क्लीन आउट्स होते हैं, मैन होल्स होते हैं, ड्रॉप मैन होल्स होते हैं, लैंप होल्स होते हैं, फ्लशिंग डिवाइसेज होते हैं, ग्रीस एंड ऑयल ट्रैप्स होते हैं, इन्वर्टेड साइफन्स होते हैं, ठीक है, एंड स्टॉर्म वाटर रेगुलेटर होते हैं। सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी विल डिस्कस अबाउट मैन होल. ए मैन होल इज़ वन अप्रोच फॉर इंस्पेक्शन एंड क्लीनिंग और सीवर. देखिए आपने कई बार देखा होगा जिसके अंदर कुछ लोग सीवर में घुसते हैं, जो ढक्कन खोलते हैं वो मैन होल होते हैं. दीज आर कंस्ट्रक्टेड ऑन सीवर एट ऑल जंक्शंस, चेंज ऑफ डायरेक्शन, ग्रेडियंट or at intervals of 50 to 150 meter depending on the size of the sewer. Lateral connection of service line with the main sewer are also done at the manholes. Being structurally stronger, the sections of the manhole are generally circular. ओके देखो सर्कुलर शेप जो होती है, आपने स्टील एंड आरसीसी में पढ़ा होगा काफ़ी, उसका जो रेडियस और गायरेशन होता है वो दोनों डायरेक्शन में सेम होता है, इस वजह से वो थोड़ा स्ट्रॉन्गर होते हैं, इसलिए जो सीवर होते हैं ना वो मेनली सर्कुलर ही होता है, ठीक है. The top of the manhole are provided with CI cast iron covers of heavy duty or medium duty or light duty according to the location of the manhole. Second is drop manhole. When a branch sewer enters a manhole at a level more than 500 to 600 mm above the main sewer, the sewage is brought down into the sewer through a pipe and carried down from the branch sewer to the bottom of the manhole. The sewage is not allowed to drop directly into the manhole from a height, as it would otherwise splash in the manhole, causing unwanted deposition, and due to dropping from a height, heat would be generated, accelerating decomposition of the sloughs in a manhole, which is not desired. Okay. Provision of drop manhole reduces the length of the pipe and cost of excavation. Second is gully pit and trap. Provision of gully trap is essential in the house drainage system to cut off the house from the direct communication with the drain. The barrier being caused by the water seal of the trap, which should be at least 75 mm. It is provided for reception of wastewater from the sink, bath, basin, rainwater and surface water and pouring into drainage system. These are provided with cast iron grating on top to deliver the wastewater into the gully and exclude the coarser material. Intercepting trap and master trap. It is also called disconnecting trap. It disconnects the house drains from the street sewer and is placed in a small chamber between the lower end of the house drain and the street sewer, with the primary object of preventing the fall gas and pathogenic bacteria of the public sewer from entering the house. They have a deeper seal, not less than 100 mm, and have a cleaning eye for periodic cleaning of any obstruction. Septic tank, we have already discussed septic tank very broadly, so we will not discuss here the septic tank. Sock pit, these are masonry well of required diameter and about 3000 mm in depth from the ground level. The well is built in dry brickwork for allowing water from the well to seep in the soil. Top 1 meter being with cement mortar. The well is filled up with overburnt brick bed or cinder. The top of the well is covered by RCC slab with manhole. The effluent from the septic tank is diverted into the well through SW pipe, which trickles through the brickbat filling. After a lapse of period when the brickbat are saturated, it seep in the soil through the dry brickwork. The soak well required periodic cleaning when the filled materials are saturated and clogged and the well does not function properly. The filled material are taken out through the manhole, cleaned and dried. The well is then repaired if found damaged. It is then filled again with dry fills as before for normal function. Okay, so that is cost effective sanitation system is not in our syllabus. Holding tank is not in our, yes, these are underground machinery, preferably RCC tank where effluent is collected. The tank are required to be watertight. The effluent from a definite area is collected through a sewerage system. The effluent is not allowed to be the effluent is not allowed to be digested in the tank but is pumped into an effluent carrying tanker and thrown in a sewerage system for final disposal, or is carried to a sewage treatment plant or disposed of to an area meant to the purpose. This is definitely a safe method as it leaves very little scope for pollution or contamination, but it requires a considerable size of holding tank and a whole set of machineries for lifting the effluent from the underground tank to the tanker and transport to the disposal site. The size of the holding tank becomes quite big as all the volume of the effluent is to be collected in the tank. The entire quantity of the effluent shall have to be transported from the holding tank to the disposal site. Prompt and stable lifting and transport arrangement is required as the effluent is not allowed to be digested in the tank. ये अपने में नहीं है. Yes, we can cover this topic also. There are various technologies available for sewage treatment and disposal. The technologies are more or less used in consideration of the nature and pollution level. First one is activated sludge process, ASP, trickling filter and waste stabilization pond. Okay, aeration lagoon and oxidation ditch. ASP and TF, activated sludge process and trickling filter, are conventional sewage treatment plant and are associated with highly complex unit process and operations involving high costs, but have comparative less impact on environment and require less land area. WSP is properly designed and maintained are the simplest and least expensive wastewater treatment technology requiring no external energy and mechanical equipment. Okay, we will skip the ASP and lagoons. Okay, so next is inspection pit or chamber. This is a miniature form of manhole provided in house drainage system in order to open out the house drainage pipes and to inspect the condition of the flow, cleaning and obstructions if any in the drain, and providing branch connections with the main line or the house drain. This is also provided at every change of direction or gradient, or at every 30-meter intervals, or at the point where the vertical soil pipe joins the house drain. Shape of sewer. The cross section of the sewer depends upon efficiency of flow desired, structural stability, convenience in maintenance and operation, resistance to internal and external pressure, and resistance to corrosion. Usually circular sections are used, but circular sections are not very effective in combined system. The flow in the dry weather condition become negligible compared to the combined flow during rainy season, causing deposition of solids for low velocity of the flow. But when semi-elliptical or and U-shaped sewer are used, the cross section also goes reducing with the discharge and velocity is not much altered. But such shapes are costlier in construction and due to narrow base distribution of pressure is on a smaller area. Also, if proper shape is not provided, self-cleansing velocity will not be obtained, which is essential for efficient functioning of the sewer. Self-cleansing velocity we have already discussed, but for the एग्ज़ाम पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू इट इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. ओके, ये जनरली आपसे कई बार पूछा जाएगा कि व्हाट इज़ सेल्फ क्लींजिंग वेलोसिटी. देखिए क्या होता है, सीवर का जो हम एक ग्रेडियंट प्रोवाइड करते हैं लॉन्गिट्यूडनली, दैट इज स्लोप. ओके, तो इस स्लोप की वजह से ही इसके अंदर क्या होता है कि एक वेलोसिटी मिलती है एफ्लुएंट को, जो सीवर जो वेस्ट होता है उसको एक वेलोसिटी मिलती है, बहने की वेलोसिटी जो मिलती है वो वेलोसिटी इतनी होती है कि वो किसी भी सेडिमेंट को डिपॉजिट नहीं होने देगा नीचे और वो उसको बहा के लेके चला जाएगा. दैट इज सेल्फ क्लींजिंग वेलोसिटी. जनरेटिंग प्रॉपर वेलोसिटी फॉर स्मूथ फ्लो इन सीवर इज एन इंपॉर्टेंट डिजाइन क्राइटेरिया. लार्ज क्वांटिटीज ऑफ ऑर्गेनिक इनऑर्गेनिक solids are carried with the sewage. The solid remain floating with the velocity of the flow at lower velocities. Stagnation condition approaches which result in deposition of the solid on the sewer invert and thereby causing obstruction of the flow and ultimately complete choking of the sewer. The state of affair is taken care of by prompt cleaning of the sewer or by generating increased velocity of the flow which will not allow deposition of solid. Such velocity is termed self-cleansing velocity. This again depends upon the scoring action of the flowing sewage and the material used for sewer conduit. The self-cleansing velocity required for transport of the solid particles varies between 4.5 cm per second to minimum to 9 cm per second maximum. Ventilation shaft. The putrescent organic material in sewer decomposes while it is on the way to its point of disposal and produces foul smell and corrosive and explosive mixture of gases in the sewer line. The gases act upon the sewer, reduce their life and carrying capacity and may cause fatal accident to the maintenance crew on the duty. Ventilation shaft is provided and it is connected with the sewer for release of the gas. सीवर जॉइंट कौन से होते हैं? ए गुड सीवर जॉइंट शुड सेटिस्फाई दैट इज इकोनॉमिकल, ईजियर टू कंस्ट्रक्ट, वाटर टाइट, रेजिस्टेंट टू पेनिट्रेशन ऑफ ट्री रूट्स, resistance to severe gases and acids, flexible and non-absorbent and durable. There are various types of joint used in sewage line: bandage joint, sprocket joint, collar joint and flush joint. Thank you so much. यही था. Okay, so this is it from my side. Thank you so much.